Kaseng sain perthei ke badang themai ha ka jella ka All India Trinamool Congress kadang mi kisngi kalanang suthiet state bha ha ka jella dagaba Pyniar ki Shnat Treikam ka jongka haman laki district ki constituency bapher ha ka jella menta ka singi ka ne ka seng kalayok ban Pyniar ka Shnat Treikam ka jongka saha ka Mowkaiaw constituency ha ka ba menta ka singi ka khadar tarik ulber ar kalayok ban jet ikinongkit kam jongka Mowkaiaw block Trinamool Congress committee ka ba kinongkit kam kilong uba Morning Star Suchiang kumu presiden ki vice president kilong uba Wanri Sumer roaming Suchiang koti Dimus Sengkon bat uba Damiki Suchiang uba One Bite Suchiang kumu General Secretary ki Joint Secretary ki long uba Tingshain Lamare kong Rimaya Suchiang ba Nimanki Lengdo ba S Suchiang bat uba Opaya Suchiang harangkat bat khat arngut ki dekhon lapan skam mi kini ki nongkit kam ka parti do Presiden rangba ka All India Trinamool Congress haka jella uba Charles Pongrum
formed the block committee of four Mowkaiaw Constituency in Jentia Hills. And with me is a newly appointed president of the block, Mr. Suchiang, who will be now organizing the party's activities and to promote the party in this part of the region.
Yes, so like, yeah. So your like your views of for the Aitc and like how you proceed for that.
Kira lang organisa parti untuk memu pembor memu diingat yang semen ni untuk terus ni kerana bat kira sistem lah kadui bola lementar ni parti khamtam untuk umi kubor wah kini kadar ngot amal demi negara sing kongres bat penisok we Trinamool Congress nado yo kubor kana angnot kero amlang ngat kerman le wa ini go kadar ngot ya lam gi segejeng hakwa ya gejeng penkela ya Constituency but ya state borok